So we already agreed at the beginning of the year that this year we are innovating within and without, and that would be our skincare, our self-care, and our self-development journey. If that's something that you'd be interested in, then of course let me be your host. Join us, join the family. We are here just doing the best for ourselves in optimizing self-care and just innovating our lives all around. Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, it's Didi for DK, and today we'll be diving into one of the most important topics when it comes to your well-being, and that is skincare. We all want a healthy, glowy complexion, but sometimes it can seem confusing or complicated knowing where to start from. In this video today, I'm going to be walking you through simple, easy to follow steps on how to take care of your skin. Now, first things first, before you start adding products to your cart, you want to understand your skin type. Understanding your skin type would greatly help you tailor your skin needs or even curate skincare products or a skincare stash for you. So you want to know if you're oily skin, combination skin, dry skin. If you're oily, you want to of course go for products that are mattifying, which in the greater scale, I don't really advise that. I advise hydrating products for oily skin because you don't want your skin to overcompensate when you use mattifying products, hence providing or producing a lot more oil on your skin. But that's another topic, or that's a topic for another day. Also, if you have dry skin, you want to go for more moisturizing products. If you have combination skin, then you want to balance out the both. Combination skin would mean that some part of your skin is oily, especially on the face, so your T-zone is like oily and the rest part is normal to dry skin. So yeah, you want to know your skin type so you can better balance your skincare routine and even how you go about shopping for products. And now the next step in taking care of your skin would be cleansing. Cleansing is basically the foundation of skincare, or one of the foundations of skincare actually. You want to make sure that your skin is cleansed of dirt and oil, especially at the end of the day, also at the start of the day. At the end of the day, when your skin just needs to breathe, you want to make sure that you wash your skin, you cleanse your skin with a suitable cleanser for your skin, which goes back to the first one of making sure you know what skin type you have. This will help you get the best cleanser for your skin. In this case, I would always suggest a gentle cleanser for morning and night, and also double cleansing at night if you wear a lot of makeup or you repeatedly wear sunscreen all through the day. Some argue that the step of double cleansing is not necessary. I mean, to each man its own. On some nights I double cleanse, on other nights I don't double cleanse. It just really depends on what I have done for the day or what I have put on my skin for the day. That greatly tells me what to do at the end of the day. So yeah, back to cleansing. Cleansing is very important in skincare. You literally cannot take the next step without cleansing your skin. There are different steps to how you can clean your skin. Some people will go in with micellar water, some will go in with an oil or balm cleanser, and others will just go in with their face wash. This is really something that you have to pick and choose what works for you according to your skin type. But like I said, I advise gentle cleansers, something that would not be stripping to your skin. Just massage this cleanser in circular motions gently all over your face until you get all the oil and gunk out of the skin. And there you go, you're done with your cleansing step. So next up is exfoliation. You can't do skincare without exfoliating your skin. This is the step where you get rid of the dead skin cells on your skin that can end up making your skin look dull or your complexion look dull. There's different ways to do exfoliation. There's physical and chemical exfoliation, but right now chemical exfoliation is taking the shine, and it's something that I'm greatly into as well. It's easy to do. It's just applying products and then the product does the exfoliation for you. But pro tip here, with exfoliation, you do not want to overdo it. 1 to 3 times a week is plenty for most people, so just make sure that you keep it moderate when you're exfoliating your skin. But bear in mind that exfoliating your skin is one of the best ways to take care of your skin. And there's different types of chemical exfoliant. There are AHAs, BHAs, and PHAs. Now again to the first point of making sure to know your skin type so you know which one you're going for. But I wanted to mention that if you have sensitive skin, then stick to a very gentle chemical exfoliation so that you don't end up irritating your skin, and also limit the amount of times that you exfoliate your skin skin in a week. You can do once or twice and then build it up from there according to your skin's tolerance level. Now let's talk moisturizing. Moisturizing is one of the key steps in skincare. Whether you're oily skin, acne prone skin, dry skin, everyone needs to moisturize. This is a step that you cannot skip. Now it doesn't matter what skin type that you have. If you're oily skin, then a lightweight moisturizer is your way of keeping your skin hydrated and balanced. If you have dry skin, then you want to go for a more buttery consistency, and if you have normal skin, you can stay in between the both consistencies. So just find something that works for you, but put in mind, like I said, that moisturizing is one of the key steps in your skincare routine. A good moisturizer will definitely save you the time and stress. Now, sunscreen is hands down one of the most important steps in your skincare routine, if not the most important after cleansing. Now, you've heard it a million times, but I'm here to repeat it again. Sunscreen will save your life. Sunscreen will take your skincare game to the next level. Start using sunscreen today and then compare a photo of your skin from this time and that time, and you'll be amazed how much transformation that your skin has done. I can't overemphasize the use, the need, the importance. Basically, all I'm saying is wear sunscreen every single day, because the harmful rays from the sun can cause premature aging, dark spots, and in the long run, skin cancer. So we don't want to associate with those type of negative vibes. So you just saw a clip of me drinking water right now, and that is my way of dramatically pointing out to you in my next point that what you put in your body is just as important as what you put topically on your skin. Drinking plenty of water is a crucial way to keep yourself hydrated from the inside out. Also, eating nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats will really help to boost your glow. Think of foods that are high in antioxidants like berries, or maybe omega-3 found in salmon. These are food options that can help protect your skin from environmental damages, also keep it looking youthful. Now to the next point, which is get enough sleep. So sleep is when your skin gets to do its most repair work. So you want to aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. You're just going to wake up with brighter skin and fewer dark circles. Trust me, those extra hours of rest do wonders for your complexion. So to my next point, you want to manage stress. Now, stress can greatly impact your skin, whether it's acne, pimples, redness, flare-ups. So take time to relax and just unwind. Anything that you do that calms you, whether it's yoga, people do yoga, I don't do yoga, I want to do yoga. It could be meditation, it could be a warm or a hot bath, just anything that works for you, do that to help take care of stress or distress. Now, when you manage stress, your skin is less likely to freak out on you. And I say that because personally in my own journey, I mentioned it before on this channel, I just get this tiny, I don't know, rough looking rashes on my skin. I mean, you have to get close to see, but that is how I know that I am stressed. It shows up on my skin. So you want to make sure that you manage stress as much as possible. Now, next point is to be gentle with your skin. Quit with the tugging and pulling and rubbing and scrubbing. Find that people think that the effect of their routine would be how hard they are on their skin. This is just trauma response to other parts of life or other things in life that we sometimes just feel like we have to tug at things to get results. No, with skincare as well, you have to be gentle with yourself. Be gentle with your skin. That tugging and pulling, picking on blemishes, and all those things will irritate your skin. It can also cause bigger problems like scarring on the skin. Instead of pulling and tugging, pat dry your skin, pat products gently into your skin, and be mindful of the type of products that you use on your skin. So don't use harsh products. For me, if a product feels weird on my skin or feels harsh, it means that it does not belong there, and I'll put it right in the trash. Now, with every other thing as well, what you nurture flourishes, blossoms. If you nurture your skin properly, the skin is going to blossom and flourish, and that is another way to take care of your skin. That's my next point, which is listening to your skin. Pay attention to your skin needs and adjust accordingly. If your skin is irritated or reacting, you might want to consider switching your routine or switching products, or overall simplifying your routine and making sure that you just get down to the particular products that work for you. Next thing that you can do to take care of your skin is consulting a dermatologist or an expert, right? That's something that will be greatly beneficial in self-care. Just working with an expert that would know what works for you, that would help lead you through that journey. I'm trying to find more ways that I can be there with you guys and just guide you through the process of taking care of your skin. I'm currently working on something, and when all goes well, as it will, and then I'll let you guys know about it. But yeah, consult with a dermatologist or an expert to help you navigate your skincare journey. Now finally, consistency is key. Give your skin time to adjust. Give your skin time to get healthy. Don't rush yourself. Don't rush your skin as well. Now, you need to know that a healthy, glowy skin doesn't happen overnight, but with patience and consistency, then you are going to get amazing results. So there you have it. Simple, effective tips on how to take care of your skin. I do hope that this helps you feel more confident in your routine. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you are not. Also, I would like to know two things. One is, what was your favorite tip in this video? And secondly, what is your current favorite skincare product? Because I'm currently trying out things and I also want to know what you guys are using. Let me know in the comment section, and that'll be it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.